Go to voiceflow.com. Click Get Started Free button and create a free account. Skip the tutorial. Click on the VoiceFlow icon at the top left of the screen and click on Back to Dashboard. On the dashboard, click New Project. Enter your project name, and select the lead qualification template, since we are creating a lead qualification agent. And then click on Create Project. Click on the lead qualification block, and click Edit Agent. This is the complete prompt instructions for your AI lead qualification agent. You can either edit it manually, or click on the blue lightning button to let AI write the instructions for you. Tell the prompt generator what do you want to achieve with your AI agent, and every other useful information. Click on Edit and the prompt generator will edit all the instructions accordingly. Review these instructions. Click Accept, and modify as per your requirements. Go back to the canvas once you are done providing the instructions by closing the instructions window. The second tab on the tabs column is the Knowledge Base tab. You can provide the knowledge base to your AI agent using 4 different types of data sources. You can provide URL of your source website. You can upload XML sitemaps of your source website. You can upload PDF files, documents, or TXT files, or you can write the knowledge base yourself. Go back to the canvas using the Workflow tab, and click on Test Your Agent at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you are satisfied with how your agent is working, then click Publish at the top right corner of your screen. Name your agent and click Publish. Click on Add Agent to Website. On this page you can modify the interface and appearance of your AI agent. You can change the interface to widget, popover, or embed. You can adjust the positioning of the chat widget on the web page. You can change the font to your brand font. You can change the color palette to your brand colors. Change the header image, and agent image, and put logo of your brand. Change the header, description, and banner image. Select one of the three launcher types, an image. Change the placeholder text if you want. Remove the AI disclaimer, because a lot of the people get annoyed with this disclaimer popping up with every message. Modify the footer text as per your requirements. Once you have made all the changes, go back to the canvas by clicking on the Workflow tab, and publish the agent again. Click Add Agent to Website, and copy the installation code. Go to your website backend. Go to Code Snippets, and paste the installation code on the footer section of your website. Save changes. Go to the front end of your website, check that the agent is working perfectly on the website. And you are done.